Welcome back to Certified Rippers. It's been a little bit of a minute since I made a video, and I thought some things have changed. Not necessarily things that required videotaping, but here we are. From previous videos, you guys might remember the old bean here. It was originally supposed to be for Bradley, my little brother, but the car's pretty rough. I mean, the body is straight, but the paint's not in good condition. There's a little bit of cancer, rust in the trunk area, not crazy, but enough to be like, don't want to put money in the car. The motor's locked up, and the interior is pretty ass. So he has decided to look for a Fox body, and this car's been sitting here, and I've been teasing the idea of turning this bad unit into a race car. And he's basically said, well, you do what you want with it. So look forward to new content coming soon on the old bean here. I think we're gonna put an old Explorer engine in this bad unit, rip every single ounce of weight we can off of this, and we're taking it back to the 90s when we're gonna go run 12-second pass in this bad unit, naturally aspirated. Then we'll throw on an on-3 kit, make a 9-second pass in a car that makes 400 horsepower. All right, guys, here's the deal. Going fast in a straight line, you know, road races and stuff, shifting gears, all that good stuff. I've learned a little bit about that over the years. So I'd say I'm pretty decent with it. And I'm a man of learning new things. Drag racing is something that I want to get into. I don't necessarily want to take this car on the track a bunch. I'll take it on the track, not a bunch. However, something I've always wanted to do, and something that this car has been like really tough for me doing, is learning how to drift it. A lot of people have contested thoughts. About drifting. I think it looks cool if you can do it right, and so I want to be able to know how to do it. Trying to learn with this car. So today we're going to be going to a spot, and we're going to be giving it a gander. The problem I'm having currently is an issue of, I think, not enough speed. So every time that I go to like try to kick it out and get it going, I'm fighting two things. First of all, either the car wants to find straight, or second, it's good for about a second and then the back end kicks out. I think that's due to not enough speed. The car does have decent tires on it, so it might be trying to track. Also, fourth problem, this clutch is dying, so I imagine around corners, putting a lot of load on this clutch, it's slipping just a little bit, enough to kind of throw me off. I know how to sling a Mustang, and with my old 2-valve, I used to have that bitch sideways all the time. This car, I don't know if it's because of the vert, or maybe the clutch, or maybe it's me, but I'm having issues keeping it sideways. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed the show so far. I know I did not. Anyways, I'm doing a little bit of an upgrade to the Terminator here, and this is honestly an upgrade that I think a lot of new Edge and overall older Mustang owners need to do. These cars suffer from a lighting issue, in my opinion, and I've tried to do things to fix that issue. I've installed LED fog light bulbs, but the fog lights only do so much. I installed the DRL headlights that are clear when there were smoked headlights on here before. But yeah, I'm still having a little bit of issue seeing down the road a good ways at night. Here's a great thing though. Our friends over at Oxido hooked it up with some LED bulbs for the Terminator. So we're gonna go ahead and crack this bad unit open and see what's all involved in switching these over to LED. You see here, Oxido LED light DD-Y13. If you guys want to pick up your own set of LED bulbs, go ahead and check out the link in the description. Okay, I see you. Whole little care package here. All right, let's... what it's looking like is, get out the old bulb, garbage, freaking toss that. You can tell it's heavy duty. Looks like it's got a fan on the back of it with like a heat sink. So if that doesn't say something, I don't know what does exactly. Please pay attention to the position of the bulb and LED beads, otherwise your high beam and low beam may be inverted. For more details, please check the installation video on the product page. Fair statement. Alright, so my camera died a second ago, but I got the bulb plugged in. I'm just going to flick the switch real quick and see if we can see any visible differences even in daylight. So let's see. So look at the light it produces on my hand over here as opposed to my hand over here. That's bright. Awesome. That is actually sweet.